Good Saturday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers. This is your outlook for the weekend, October 19th and Sunday, October 20th, 2013. Starting off with Saturday here, and we have a cold front that's going to be approaching today, so we're going to have some increasing clouds for your day on Saturday. I don't think there's a lot of precipitation that ends up with this system here, and it's going to be a quick mover here. Here's the GFS, and it's showing this the cold front sitting right about here and pushing through here. There's high pressure behind it, ready poised into moving behind it. It's going to shape up Sunday and Monday very nicely, but until this cold front moves through, which is moving fairly quickly to the northeast, it'll still be on the mild side today. We're going to move forward here in time here, and you can see here the GFS has this precipitation over our area here overnight, Saturday night, but it's very, very light and very scattered. We're going to go to the NAM high res future simulator radar. This is 6 p.m. Has some showers across north central PA, but watch what this does as it moves eastward. Pretty much falls apart except for northeastern PA, maybe a couple showers across southern Jersey. Not a lot of precipitation with this, so this is just going to move through without a lot of fanfare. Just a few isolated showers as it does so, and then that moves out and then it clears out nicely. Here's a look at Sunday here, and you have the high pressure sitting just to our south here, and it's going to provide a nice day on Sunday and Monday. As we go forward past this, we have a little bit of a concern at the middle of the week. First of all, we have a cold front. Here's Tuesday morning. There's a cold front, and this is going to be a very powerful cold front that's going to move through. Now, this is going to be another one of those cold fronts that come through very quickly and very unnoticeable. You might have a few clouds with it, but I think this precipitation that's shown with it here Tuesday morning, as this moves east, will fall apart. So again, we're not dealing with any precipitation here. Actually, here's the next frame. Maybe a shower up here in northeastern PA as it moves through, where the best dynamics are up closer towards the low pressure system in southeastern Canada. But for the rest of us, remain high and dry. What this cold front is going to do is going to make a big impact, and we're going to have some seriously chilly temperatures for this time of year. Normal tides we're talking for this time of year are generally from north to south, probably in the low 60s, upper 60s from north to south across our coverage area, and that would be from say Poconos and Scranton area. Straight down to Philadelphia and South Jersey, so and Delaware. So if we're talking about upper 60s, normal highs down in this area here, low 60s up here, and we're talking about temperatures that are just barely getting to 50 here for your day on Thursday. So here, going to be feeling it below normal. Couple of days here. Now here's Wednesday. Now this is the cold front moves through. It gets chilly. Okay. What the GFS and to some extent the European model want to do is develop an area of low pressure that rounds this trough here. And here's this area of low pressure sitting over Virginia. Not very strong, and this is not going to be a strong system because you don't have a lot of blocking offshore here. But it wants to take the system offshore and blow it up here in the Gulf of Maine. Okay, and not a big deal for our area so much, but because you have the cold air involved in the system, look what this does. See this here? This blue here, this is snow. And this is just snow showers, not heavy snow or anything like that. Up here you might have a few pockets of that, if that did come true here. And here's the next frame. This is early Thursday morning, and it has it snowing in the Poconos. It has it snowing out in central PA. Very light. And I don't think anything's sticking. It's just a matter of snowflakes mixing in with the rain, it may be changing over, but not except for that. And this is mostly a highest elevations type areas might have an accumulation here in western PA and up across the mountains in central PA and up near Erie. I think up in our Poconos region here, you might just see some flakes, and we'll have to keep an eye on this because this is something that. Could produce some snow just because, snow flakes at least, because the upper levels are going to be very, very cold. We have temperatures in the 20s, just 4,900 feet above the Earth's surface. So we're not talking about, it's not impossible to see some snow mixing in if we get some heavy precipitation falling. We do have a weather alert map out. This is just a precautionary thing. These areas in light blue is on our weather alert map section of our website. The light blue here actually indicates where we think we could see some flakes, and the dark blue is the areas mainly over higher elevations that you could have a minor accumulation out of this, and that would be southern New Hampshire and western Massachusetts, and then also Up here in the typical areas around the Lake Belt, in West Virginia, Northwest PA, and Central PA, and then also Western New York State could see some snow here. We're just outlining some areas where we think that this is possible. Again, the light blue is not an accumulation; it's just an area where we think there's going to be some flakes. So we'll take a look at that as we get closer in a week. But this is just an interesting setup, and is all made possible by a very cold pattern here. Now, here's this weekend here. We have this little piece of energy coming across here. Is going to keep temperatures a little bit cool, but on the cool side, but only by a few degrees. And this is just a minor. Let's see, it's just these lighter blues, not a big deal. We get into next week, and let me get the right image here. We get into next week. Look at this system here, and we get a big trough that's just settling over here, over our entire area here. And this here spells some really cold temperatures, just less than 5,000 feet above the atmosphere. So, and these are in degrees Celsius. We're talking about departures from normal here, and it's going to be pretty chilly. Now, actually, these are actually temperatures at 850 millibars. We're talking about very chilly temperatures below zero, not too far above the Earth's surface. So we'll have to keep an eye on that for any systems that that system does develop and comes across like this, and there is precipitation falling. We could have a few flakes, like I said, across our higher elevations, the Poconos and Central PA. So we'll keep an eye on it for you. That is your weekend video outlook for Eastern PA Weather Authority. I'm meteorologist Bobby Martridge. Have a great weekend.